Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys on my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphone with our Poco phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth earphone device, and plus I have got this neckband earphone, and guys you have the same earphones, and friends you want to pair with your phones. And how can you pair? Today we will talk about in this video guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to pair. And guys, before starting video fans, so guys, first of all guys, we will on our earphones. So I turn on your earphones, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here. And friends, you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth guys. You can enable and disable from here. So we will enable it. After enable guys, first of all guys, we will refresh, and guys you can check your available device. So friends, you can see your earphone name. So I have got this Bluetooth ubon CL20 earphone. I will tap here guys, you can see pairing. Guys, you want to pair, then guys you can see this pair with ubon CL. Guys, you can see this pair request. Yes, we want to pair guys, click on pair option, then it will pair. And guys you can check your Bluetooth earphone battery percent from here. 100% battery guys I have. And guys, now you can use your Bluetooth earphone while operating apps, music, watching movies. Like you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.